Ready to make a real difference in the world of health and social care management? Introducing the Level 5 Diploma in Health and Social Care Management from London School of Planning and Management. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to lead and innovate in the healthcare and social services sectors. Our comprehensive program covers everything from healthcare policy to effective management strategies. Join us and become a catalyst for positive change. Enroll in our Level 5 Diploma in Health and Social Care Management today and take the first step towards making a lasting impact in your community. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.